Hello everyone, my name is Cristina Pilo, international makeup artist, and today I want to show you how to achieve this look for New Year's Eve. To prep the skin, we're going to be using the Ultra Hydration Face Primer. Make sure you apply it all over your face and get that skin ready for makeup. Let's start with the base using the Powder Finish Foundation in the color Golden Beige. Let's get those under eyes under control. I'm going to use my under eyes disguise in the color Vanilla Latte. Very close to your eyes. And we're going to blend it all the way down to your cheekbone. And I'm using a sponge. We're just going to blend it and make sure we have a fine base. Now that the skin is ready, we're going to go ahead with our rice powder in the color Translucent. We're going to go all over the face, really lightly, set the makeup. And remember that a little bit goes a long way. For my eyes, I'm using the Silk Effects eyeshadow in the color Rendezvous. Let's start with the darker color. Don't be afraid. We're gonna apply it all over our lid, really close to our eyelash line, and bring it all the way up to your crease. With the help of a blending brush, we're gonna blend this all the way up to your crease. Eliminate any harsh lines that you can find. We're going to create the illusion that we have a bigger eye. Now using a smaller brush, we're going to smoke out the lower lash line. I want to give it a little extra spark, and I'm going to use this color in the center. And let's blend it. Now with the lighter color, we're going to brighten up the eyebrow bone. After applying the falsies, I'm going to use Lash Obsessed mascara to volumize my lashes. Now with the matte bronzer in the color Teeny Bikini, I am going to contour all my face. We're going to start right by our ear. I'm going to blend it all the way down. I'm going to apply a little bit of color to my cheeks using the Beige blush in the color Blushin. Smile. Let's apply a few drops and then blend with our fingers. For that perfect party red lip, we're going to start by lining our lips with Rockin Red. Now we're going to fill them in with a matte lipstick in the color Scarlett. And for the final touch, I'm using a lip gloss in the color Ruby Red. And if you want your makeup to last all night, don't forget to use your Forever and Ever setting spray.